prepping skin with these. I'm using this foundation. My eyes with this P. Louise base. This color is Rumour too, very strange. You want to make sure the eye base is pretty pale and pretty pigmented so that the pink can really come through. Moira Garden of My Mind palette. There's really good neons, and I'm going to use this pink right here because it is very Barbie. Pack it on with a flat brush, not a fluffy brush. That's so cute. Look how cute. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna wear this all the time. And now I'm going to use this Let's Play Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna use this pastel pink color right here. And out the top. Now that this is all blended out, we can add the glitter. If you use like a pink glitter, this will give it more dimension, and then if you use another pink glitter, something that is holographic, and something loose and powder base. Lucent Cream Shadow in 05 Venus. Focus everything on the center. This is a very cool product because it definitely kind of makes the eyes look wet. Glitter is also from Daiso. I don't know how easily you can get this. So I'm going to use the same flat brush that I used to apply the pink, just get it a little bit wet. The Kosas serum spray is a little bit sticky, which will be a good thing in placing the glitter. Also, using a tissue helps to catch any glitter fallout, or if you're doing like a smoky eye, or working with like a really pigmented shadow. Okay. These did a lot of glitter catching, which is good. Do a little bit of concealing with the Surratt Perfectionniste Concealer number 3. Fenty Matchstick in Mocha for some contouring. Now I'm going to set everything in Kosas Cloudset powder in Comfy with a ginormous brush. This one is the e.l.f. powder brush. I'm going to use Kosas bronzer in medium. The same e.l.f. powder brush. I'm going to use this Natasha Denona Blush and Glow Duo, and I'm going to use the pink and the highlighter. Oh no. I forget what this one. Sorry. I'm going to use the highlighter in this Glow Duo. I love highlighter right here and right here. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Double Extend Mascara. I'm going to use the primer in a cute little spoolie. I'm going to do a Maybelline Vinyl Superstay Vinyl Ink in Capricious Lip Oil in Malibu. Finished look. If you like it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow on Instagram and TikTok, and smash follow.